Welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to explore virtualization, a foundational technology that allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical system. Virtualization is one of the foundational technologies behind cloud computing. It allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical system. Without virtualization, modern cloud services as we know them today simply wouldn't exist. So, what exactly is virtualization, and why is it so important? Virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of something, like a virtual computer system or virtual storage, using software. In cloud computing, the most common type of virtualization involves splitting one physical server into multiple virtual machines, also known as VMs. Each of these VMs behaves like a separate physical computer. They have their own operating systems, their own applications, and can run independently of one another, even though they're all running on the same physical hardware. This is made possible by a software layer called a hypervisor. The hypervisor sits between the hardware and the virtual machines and manages how resources like CPU, memory, and storage are allocated. It ensures that each VM gets the resources it needs without interfering with the others. There are two main types of hypervisors: Type 1, which runs directly on the physical hardware, and Type 2, which runs on top of an operating system. Cloud providers typically use Type 1 hypervisors for better performance and efficiency. Now, why is virtualization so valuable in cloud computing? Resource efficiency. Instead of letting physical servers sit underutilized, virtualization allows them to host many workloads at once, maximizing resource usage. Scalability. Need more compute power? Cloud providers can quickly spin up more VMs without needing new hardware. Cost savings. Virtualization reduces the need for physical machines, cutting hardware and maintenance costs. Isolation and security. Each virtual machine is isolated from the others, reducing the risk of one affecting the rest. Flexibility and portability. VMs can be easily cloned, moved, or backed up, making disaster recovery and testing much easier. In cloud environments like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, virtualization is what allows providers to offer infrastructure as a service. When you launch an EC2 instance in AWS or a VM in Azure, you're using a virtualized server that's running on shared physical infrastructure. In short, virtualization is what makes the cloud flexible, scalable, and cost-effective.